Can we have some Martinelli's, please?
No.
Please?
I don't know.
Please?
It's not mine.
I'm really thirsty.
There's water.
I'm
King, that works for your body. You're not a freaking plant.
I'm thirsty. Please? Is that my hot dog over there?
Yeah.
Thanks, guys. Cool. Yeah. Okay.
Wait, relish yummy?
No. Yes.
No, relish is gross.
You've never had it.
It's pickles. Shredded pickles.
I didn't.
Emily, you need to calm down.
I didn't get it.
Emily, you need to calm down.
I think it's funny.
I didn't get it.
It's fine.
Did I miss something?
Yeah.
Was it not here?
I want more mustard.
Alright, can you get some mustard on my face?
No.
Okay. I was asking Carol.
Too bad.
Not you.
How much mustard?
That's right. That's what.
your
That's why.
bun's messed up.
That's what I thought.
Your bun's messed up, Ellington.
All right, just like one down the middle. Here we go. It's good.
That's it?
That's it.
That's it? Do you want ketchup?
And then some ketchup.
Oh.
How much ketchup? One down the middle, too?
Maybe a little bit more of each, because like that's not a lot. Come on. That's good. All right, maybe a little bit more mustard.
Oh my god.
I'm saying you barely put any mustard on.
Because you said one down the
Yeah,
middle.
you said one down the middle.
You know, this reminds me of right now.
No.
Is that enough?
That
is so weird.
That's ironic. Oh my god, the perfect shirt for the perfect day.
No. You can eat your hot dog.
Carol,
Not
you're...
for the perfect boy, though. I'm eating!
Don't bother me.
Reminds me of Clarice. Remember when she used to sit there and watch everybody? Was that Nancy? No, it was me and Clarice. Remember? When Clarice would just sit there. Everybody would be eating and Clarice and Amanda would just be staring at everybody.